Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today released 3 significant publications focused on Meghalaya'S forests and launched an online portal, the Meghalaya Forest Fire Information System. The event took place at the Cabinet Room in the main secretariat. The publications released include Rotation Age and Volume Estimation of Khasi Pine in Meghalaya, Volume 1, Forest Inventory of Sacred Groves in Meghalaya, Volume 3, and Geospatial Mapping of Forest Fire Vulnerable and Forest Fire Prone Areas in Meghalaya. In his address, the Chief Minister said, under the Chief Minister's Research Scholar Program, various research initiatives are being undertaken.
Apart from the research that we do out here in this, what is going to be very important is to be able to link the different research that we do and allow this entire, the data analytics to be able to create predictability models for us in the future and know how one particular aspect of research or the trend that is happening in a particular area will affect another aspect.